Good morning. You're welcome to today's Trade Ideas and Signal. Okay, we'll be starting from where we left off. And it has been a while since I come back to do some analysis on our favorite PS, which is gold and euro. So let's start with gold this morning. As we can see from our previous analysis, I did analyze that this is going to be our range, dealing range, that we're expecting market to be dealing from. And we have all this level highlighted here. We are expecting market to, the price to be sent down from. So from our previous analysis, we did analyze that this particular levels that we have here, this little imbalance, the fair value gap that we have here, is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting it to be filled. And the last time we did the analysis was from this particular level that we have here. Actually, we didn't take this trade, but I did analyze and give us the precise point in which I'm expecting market to react from, which is this particular level here. And as we have it, I did analyze this level down at least if we are expecting any reaction, it should be from this level. But we didn't analyze to take the trade because we identified that this is we are having a range here, and anything can happen within a range. From the price action that we are having here, this is the only thing we can identify in the something. So we did pick this level, but we didn't trade. I personally did not trade from the level because we are within this one consolidation. But as we have it, we have the level sending the price into this particular level. And yeah, personally, I would have identified this level if at all if I didn't take this particular one. This particular other block that I have here would have been another potential trade for me into sending price higher. But I was out of the market for more than 2 weeks now. I've been dealing with my business. This is January. I thought I'll be able to get everything done in December, but I couldn't because I started a new location this January and I have to get it fixed so that I can fully concentrate on trading. So we have this level that we are looking at, and we were looking at this particular level, and I was saying that okay, I'm expecting this particular level to be the level that will send price lower. And that's the reason why it's always good to have a bigger point of interest range. Because as assume we only take this via value, it would have been the only thing that would send the price lower. I mean, it would have been invalidated easily. But I did highlight that this my major lower high and strong high is my invalidation point, which I'm expecting it to send price lower. But as we having it, we are still trading, we are still within the point of interest, and we potentially still be holding on to the trade and waiting for this higher level to be our point of invalidation. Then if this place is being invalidated and being closed above, then we can be looking for higher price, more higher prices on gold. But as it is, I will be holding on to myself and I'll be expecting market to come lower into filling all this level and send the price lower. But nonetheless, I guess let's go to lower time frame and let's see if we can have something to capitalize on. So there is nothing yet. And if we did analyze our lower time frame, we have a point here, and I'm expecting maybe price to fill this imbalance, this gap that we have here, which is has already been filled. But this place cannot do without giving us this type of reaction. But we'll be holding on to the trade. We'll see if it's going to be our point of sending price lower. So let's try to analyze for buy if it is possible within the range. And okay, we did have a lower low. No, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So we are expecting, but we kind of have a reaction from this particular level, which might be sending price lower. So let's identify this level because this particular small something has been broken and is sending price lower. So we have another level here, which might be another point of entry. This one has been fulfilled here, and the breaker block has also been fulfilled here. So we are dealing uh, with this right leg now. So let's see. This will be our indication, but since we are within our point of interest for sending price lower, we'll be we'll just be watching and holding on to the something. So I guess holding on to our sell is what we're going to be doing for now. Because this price action that we have here spent a lot of time here before it gets to this particular level. So we'll patiently wait for it and try to see what and what we can capitalize on. I will try as much as possible to be making my analysis every day now so that at least we have a lot of things to capitalize on. So let's go to Euro and try to see what we have here. As we can see, if you watch my video, the previous video, you will see how I did analyze this particular leg that I'm expecting this level that we have here to send price. I even talk of sending setting my take profit here by sending the price higher. But I said I'm okay with 1 to 3 because I was only targeting this high to be taken first. But we missed out on the trade because the liquidity point in which we are expecting lower here wasn't actually taken before sending price higher. And personally, that's going to be it's going to be what is it called? Um a kind of like, okay, a missed trade for us. Okay. So we did miss the trade, but we're going to analyze for a new something. So as it is now, since our objective has been fulfilled already without giving us proper mitigation of this particular level, but we can did try to study what caused the market not to actually come down soon. So we have this level being broken here. This particular leg was broken with this leg, but wasn't closed above. And that's the reason why I was expecting this particular level to be filled before going up. Now, as we have it, the market did come back, use this particular leg. But if we go on lower time frame, I guess that's where the something comes. You see. So that's where we did have our. So, okay, the market broke this particular high and it closes above it on 1 hour. And I guess and this level actually did support the price from going lower. So I wasn't expecting it to be that strong because we have a lot of imbalance here. But if we check on lower time frame, maybe it was fulfilled before it went up, I guess. Okay, so this is the particular level that I hate. It has been fulfilled with this little something here. So the imbalance has been fulfilled. So I guess I'm going to delete the order. Price has really, really moved far away from us. So let's go to 4 hour. We will delete everything, then we try to do the analysis and try to see what we can capitalize on. This was actually another pure trade, and that's the reason why I always like to keep my risk reward ratio to 1 to 3, 1 to 5, because it will prepare us to take another opportunity presented by the market. So we did miss this trade, and because of not being available, we miss all this. And we did have a very good analysis. So let's delete everything and try to make some analysis for the new week and try to see what we can capitalize on in the markets. So network. Okay, so we are on weekly now. And as we can see, the price action, we talk about this particular level, sending price higher in our previous video. And that's where we have our price being sent higher. And we have this level here. Now we can did analyze from. So if we're going to just use our structure or something, then this will be our strong eye, which we are expecting market to hold. And these are weak low, which markets did. But what we are having now, the same thing that happened on 4 hour and daily is what we are expecting here now. So here is our potential strong line, strong low now, because we can see a lot of invalidation that is has done within all these levels that we have. But because we are on weekly, we may not be able to see it clearly. And this can happen to be our flip, major flip. Our major flip. Let's go on daily to zoom 3 more. And as we can see, we've gotten a flip here now. So what are we expecting from the market? So even if what we were expecting on the market before was this particular level. So it has actually even been fulfilled with this particular place now. So I guess what we'll be looking for, this major flip has been fulfilled. We didn't come to markets very early. So we'll be expecting some particular level. Now we have this level here. And we can be expecting price from, let's go to 4 hour to see what we can capitalize on. So we've gotten a major flip and we're expecting market to continue to move higher. But analyzing based on our 4 hour, this happens to be a strong low because it was the one that sent price above that particular level. So that's our strong low. And this is going to be our weak high. And it has been rated. That our weak high has been rated. Has been rated. Weak high has been rated. So what are we expecting from this particular level here? Okay. So this will be our dealing range for today. But we have this particular level. Let's go on lower time frame to see there is something we can capitalize on from this particular level. So this could have possibly sent price lower. I mean, sustain price from coming lower. And not this reaction we are having here. I am not trusting it because we have this particular level that should have sustained price. And we see that this particular level has been fulfilled. So, and this level is yet to be fulfilled. Today is Monday. Let's take our weekly something. Okay, we have a major flip here which has been fulfilled. And we have some kind of imbalance here. We have this lower price here. Okay, let's go on daily. Price is tending to go up. But if we're going to have it, then this guy here Okay. Can have a higher price. But the kind of reaction we are having here is something that I'm not trusting. And okay, okay, let's do this one. I guess we'll be looking for a sell. So I'll be setting my buy here. That's what I'm going to do. So these are dealing range. And I believe here has been fulfilled. This particular one has been fulfilled also, but I'm not trusting it because we have this low being tapped into, and this place happens to be at 50%. So if we are going to go on daily, what are we expecting? This particular block too has been fulfilled. Okay, so that level can actually send price up. But checking 4 hour, we have less than 1 hour for it to close. So I guess I don't want to be forcing entry because let's assume we've been in the market earlier than this time. Would have taken our trade from this particular level. But we're going to try and use this level here to sell our to kind of buy. Well, so the 17, let's put it at 18. 18 pips and 18 times 3, 2 is 36. So 40, 50, 54, 54 pips. So that would be our perfect one today. And I guess I'll be taking my fish from this particular line. Yeah. So these are be our risky trades today. And on euro, please, is not an higher probability trade. I'm just putting it in simply because today is Monday and we might have this low being taken. Let's check if we have any impact news today that can actually send price into. Okay. We did have some news coming up by 4 o'clock Nigeria time today. So let's try and use this one and take it for a trade. But I have another level here which just caught my attention. In case we didn't have this level being taken, we can have this. Let's check this other block. This 1 hour that block. Yeah. But we're going to have it, this level has been fulfilled. This might be the season where you won't be having proper mitigation. So we're going to adjust accordingly based on wherever the market wants to show us. Let's see 15 minutes. Okay, okay. On 15 minutes, we have another level. If at all we are not, if this level is no longer, then we can capitalize on this level here that we have. So, so this is another 15 minutes trade in which if markets did not kind of buy, because we might be in the season where what is it called, -3, that's 51 pips. That's perfect, 1 to 3. These are all the places where we can take our trades from. Or if I'm going to be taking trades from this particular level, we have internal structure and we have this level and sustain. I can personally take a very long shot here, which is 12 pips, and having it here. So let's assume this first level did not hold, the second level did not hold, then we can have this particular level holding. So that will be all for today. You can adjust accordingly, but that will be my trade. Thank you very much.